Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to track website traffic and see who's been visiting your website using HubSpot. This is incredibly useful for understanding your audience behavior and making informed marketing decisions based on real visitor data. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign in to your HubSpot account using your credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account that's connected to the website you want to monitor, as this will ensure you're viewing the correct traffic data. After signing in, direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find all the main navigation options. Look for the option labeled Reporting and hover over it. This will expand a submenu with various reporting tools available in HubSpot. From this expanded menu, click on Reports. This section is your gateway to all the analytics and tracking features HubSpot offers. Once you're in the Reports section, focus on the left sidebar again. You'll notice a tab labeled Marketing. Click on it to expand this menu and reveal more specific marketing-related reporting options. This is where HubSpot organizes all visitor and campaign performance data that relates to your marketing efforts. Within the expanded marketing menu, look for an option called Web Traffic Analysis. Click on it and the menu will expand once more, showing you different tracking categories. This is the core area where HubSpot compiles all the data about visitors who have come to your website, including their behavior, sources, and engagement patterns. From this section, you'll see various traffic metrics tracked by each option listed. HubSpot breaks down your website traffic into different categories, making it easy to analyze where your visitors are coming from, what pages they're viewing, and how they're interacting with your content. Each option provides detailed insights that help you understand your audience better. Now, navigate through this section and look for the specific traffic information you need. Whether you're interested in overall visitor numbers, traffic sources, individual page performance, or visitor behavior patterns, HubSpot's web traffic analysis gives you comprehensive access to all this data in an organized, easy-to-understand format. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.